Well, as you can see, what a beautiful day and what a wonderful place to celebrate National Storytelling Week, which will go on to the 5th of February. The Society for Storytelling created National Storytelling Week 22 years ago. And since then, thousands and thousands and thousands of people have taken part. Even last year, in the middle of COVID, we had over 800 schools being part of this celebration. And this year, the Society is working in collaboration with Norfolk Nature Stories to promote sharing stories. So that's your story, my story, our story. So all we're asking is for you to go outside to somewhere like this, or maybe just in your garden, and over a cup of tea, with a few friends round, share your stories. Perhaps it'll be about your past, maybe when you were growing up, something you remember that your father did, your mother did. Perhaps it was about COVID. How did you survive? What was your story? So whatever your story is, just share it and enjoy National Storytelling Week.